the high level here, and I'll just touch on just a couple of things here while we have a few moments. As far
Daniel,
as, yes.
If I could, I'd like to use that image you have. If you could pull that up for just another quick second here, as a point of emphasis. With Chime, or in a brokerage, you have really two sides of the house, right? Front office, back office. Chime is filling your needs from a lead gen, IDX website, CRM style solution that all addresses the needs of the front office. This back office piece is going to be exactly what Brokerment is doing here, the transaction management, commission automation, accounting. I mean, these two programs are combining what would otherwise probably require no less than 6 to 8 different solutions that you'd be trying to piecemealing together, yet also deserve their own attention, right? If Chime was to move into this space, we would do it at a poor level. If Brokerment was trying to move into what Chime does, they would do it poorly as well. So the front office and back office require their own special attention, but you don't necessarily need to be going to half a dozen different products in order to find them. So by having Chime and Brokerment work together, it almost serves as one complete solution where you don't necessarily have to be constantly managing a dozen different products. So this really can't be emphasized enough, because it is that gentle blend of products hyper-focused, but not necessarily too limited in functionality. So I wanted to really exaggerate that point because of just how important it can be.